Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most exciting products on the market. Today, we're checking out the best Jenga maker stacking tower game available, the Bsiri Wooden Tumbling Tower. Whether you're looking to challenge your precision or just have a good laugh with family and friends, this classic block game has something for everyone. Let's start with the build. The Bsiri tower is crafted from solid premium wood. You'll immediately notice the smooth edges and polished finish, giving each block a satisfying, balanced feel. These aren't your typical flimsy pieces. These are made to last through endless games without losing their shape or charm. The real magic of this game? It's not just fun, it's skill building. Each round of play sharpens your focus, steadies your hand, and boosts your strategy. It's a perfect combination of suspense and laughter, whether you're at home, in the classroom, or at an office break room. Every move keeps you guessing, and every collapse ends with smiles all around. What makes this a family favorite is its universal appeal. Kids, parents, grandparents, everyone can join in. It's a game night staple that's as engaging for a 6-year-old as it is for adults. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or just enjoying a rainy afternoon indoors, the Bsiri tower adapts to the moment. You'll love how easy it is to take along. Lightweight and compact, it fits into your travel bag for beach trips, camping adventures, or picnics in the park. It sets up in seconds, making it ideal for weddings, school events, or spontaneous game nights with friends. And if you're wondering about gifting, this is a no-brainer. Birthdays, housewarmings, holidays. The Bsiri Wooden Tumbling Tower makes a memorable, thoughtful gift. It's more than just a game. It's a keepsake. Something your friends and loved ones will reach for time and time again. You can truly feel the quality. Every block is sanded, solid, and consistent. There's no paint chipping or rough corners. It's built with care, and it shows. This attention to detail ensures long-term play without the worry of wear and tear. Compared to other stacking games on the market, this one nails the balance between fun, design, and durability. It's not oversized or hard to store, but it still delivers the tactile satisfaction of larger sets. You're getting high-end gameplay without the high-end price tag. So, if you're on the hunt for the best stacking block tower game that brings people together, sharpens your skills, and looks great while doing it, the Bsiri Wooden Tumbling Tower is your go-to choice. Make your next gathering unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest product deep dives. Until next time, this is Product Critique, helping you buy better.